today we are doing a sunset scenery. Okay. So these are oil lamps, sun, tree. And when you try to click something during the sunset, you can see a very blackish image if you see in the camera. Okay, so that is also known as a silhouette. So let's get started. Uh, please keep your paper horizontal, that is sleeping, and right in the center trace a circle, and please use a pencil to do all this. I'll be doing everything with the sketch pen so that it is visible to you all. The diameter of the circle is 8 centimeter. You can use a small plate or a bowl, or if you all have this circle stencil, you all can use this. Whatever is available with you.
Okay.
Now from this corner, we will first begin with the tree. So from this corner, you will make a little wriggly line. You won't make a straight line, okay? Little thoda teda meda, because tree is not very much straight. So this is the bark of the tree. Now from here, you have to leave little space and just make a small little V like this. Now after doing this, we have to make one more long V, okay? A little longer than the previous one. We are making various branches of the tree, okay? Now again, you have to make a small little V over here. And this you don't have to join it to the edge of your circle, because here we'll be making a tiny little bush. I'll keep the fair sheet over here so that it is easier for you all to understand. So we are doing this part right now. Now from here, again, we will make a V, okay? But this time the V has to be a little more longer. Again, you have to make a V like this in sleeping. I hope everyone is along with me. Now, again, you have to make a small little V for this last branch. And then you just have to get your V till the edge of this branch, and then just make a slanting line like this and just complete your tree. After making the tree, you all have to make these bumpy bushes, which I am making. Very tiny jumps you all have to make, and very roughly. Now, after doing this much, you all have to leave 1 finger space from the tree and just make a rough sleeping line. I don't want it to be very, very fair. It has to be a little wriggly because the land is not even all over. Now over here on your right hand corner, you'll have to make a small little tree. Very simple, the basic tree. Sorry, house. I'm so sorry. Now after making the house, from this topmost branch, you have to use a ruler and make a straight standing line. And one straight standing line from this branch. On these lines, you will need to make small oil lamps the way I am making them. First make rectangles and then just make a curve. A small little rectangle and a curve. Now over here, you'll be making a straight sleeping line. We are making the mountain, okay? Now, when you're making the mountains, you have to ensure that your mountains are not very, very straight, okay? Because if you all have seen the mountains, then they are not straight always. They are like very wriggly. You all, I hope you all know the meaning of wriggly. Wriggly means thoda teda meda, okay? You all can see how I have made it. Like it's not very straight. I am not drawing it, in one stroke. I am just forming some curves and then just joining them. Once you all are done with this, you all have to trace it with your pencil only again, very, very dark. And then just using the cotton ball or a earbud or tissue paper, you will need to smudge it like this so that the entire mountain gets covered up. You have to trace it again with the same pencil which you have used, and then again smudge it using a smudging tool if you have, or a earbud or a cotton or tissue, whatever is available with you. Then you have to make one sun over here near the bushes. Wherever you have little space, just draw the sun very dark. And you will just smudge the edges of the sun, okay? You will not smudge it this side, only the edges. See, if you're not using the 8B pencil or any shading pencil, your effect might be little hampered, so don't worry. Then you'll need to color the house like this. Okay, very neatly. Now I am doing it little roughly because I'm using a 8B pencil, so my pencil gets smudged very easily. If you're using a HB normal pencil, then please color very neatly in one direction. Just using the smudging tool or any medium, you all can just smudge this also. The house has to be little lighter than the roof. So therefore, I'm just erasing it little so that it becomes lighter. Use your eraser very, very lightly. After coloring the house, you have to move towards the oil lamps which are hanging on the tree. And similarly, like the sun, you just have to trace the borders of the oil lamp and then just smudge the borders. Do not smudge within. We do this so that, it feels as if the light is flashing on this part. So that is the reason that we don't smudge within the oil lamp. We just smudge on the borders.
Yes.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे जिधर भी मैंने ब्लैक कलर किया है वो मैंने स्केच पेन से किया है. Everyone, wherever I have used black color, it is the sketch pen. See how I color with the sketch pen also only in one direction. I do not change my directions in any medium, okay? So even you all have to follow that. If you will want a perfect effect for your pencil shading, then always use a 8B pencil or a graphite pencil for the shading. And for coloring, always use a permanent CD marker with a thin tip. So your drawing looks really very perfect. Today, no issues if you all don't have, but next time when you all want to do something, everyone please follow wherever I am coloring, even you all have to color with a sketch pen. So kindly follow. Now, whatever you all have used for smudging, you all will just rub that thing over here. If you have used the cotton, use the same cotton. Just rub it over here in the sky part so that, it just get colored little bit. Now, using the black marker, you all will have to make small birds over here, okay? You just have to write a small little R. And you all will make only birds as many as I am making, okay? Don't keep making them here and there. ज़्यादा नहीं बनाना है हमको, बस इतने ही बनाना है. When you are done with the shading on the top, you'll just have to color this bottom land and just scribble some small tiny little flowers over here. You just have to make strokes like this. You have to ensure that where the sun is there, you have to leave little space to show the sunshine. Okay, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this section.
Screen on.